Seems like the downward cycle of interest rate has started. We were long waiting for it. In fact, people were waiting for it since the last 1.5 years. Now that US Fed has cut interest rate by 50 basis points, RBI and other central banks will follow suit. Some believe or some say that this party will stop because inflation will spiral. I don't think so, because there is a manufacturing of deflation taking place in China. China is essentially manufacturing deflation. The type of overproduction that we have in China is mammoth. You take any item and you will find that deflation is being pumped into the world economy through China. Of course, there is a talk about the fact that if Trump wins, in that case, he will put in very, very high tariffs, and that in turn will not result in lower prices. But I think Trump always mentions these extreme tariff rates as a negotiation tactics. The fact remains that for investors, asset allocation point of view, if you were positioned at the long end of the yield curve, high duration, or if you get yourself positioned now at the long end of the yield curve, high duration, you will enjoy a high appreciation on fixed income. Now, people may illogically compare that prospective return on fixed income with the return on equity markets. Now, that is stupidity, because there is something called risk-adjusted return. If you invest in GSEC long term and you earn, say, 11, 12, 13% because of your duration bet. On the other hand, if you invest in equity and earn 15, 16, 17%, those two returns are not comparable, because equity may or may not happen. GSEC is providing you a safe return of 7, 8% plus. We can see what's happening to the interest rate cycle. So take a decision appropriately.